How to turn off camera on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off camera on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and click on site settings and click on the option number 4, which is camera, and now make sure to turn off this option. Even if you turn on this option, they always gonna ask you first before allowing sites to use your camera. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.